Hello students, today we will discuss topic development of dicot embryo. Development of dicot embryo. Comes under post fertilization changes. Okay, now the first step is zygote. Zygote will undergo mitotic division. Okay, this is zygote. It will undergo, and remember it is, this site is chalaza end and this is micropyle end, and it will undergo mitotic division. ठीक है, and it will form terminal cells and this is basal cell towards micropyle. Write down here micropyle, and this is chalaza के towards terminal cells and micropyle के वहाँ पे basal cell. Now what happened, terminal cells जो है, ये जो terminal cells है, it will form pro embryo. Okay, what it will form? Pro embryo. So what happened? It is terminal cells. Now it has formed pro-embryal quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is pro-embryonal quadrant. Okay, and this is known as suspensor cell. And this is hostorial. What happened? टर्मिनल सेल्स जो है वो प्रो एम्ब्रियो बनाएगा, और ये जो बेसल सेल का है ट्रांसवर्स डिवीजन हुआ है. बेसल सेल्स का क्या हुआ है? बेसल सेल ट्रांसफर डिवीजन. ओके, बेसल सेल्स का ट्रांसफर डिवीजन हुआ. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस सस्पेंसर सेल? सस्पेंसर सेल्स, इट्स हेल्प्स इन पुशिंग द एम्ब्रियो डीप इनसाइड द एंडोस्पर्म. मतलब जो सस्पेंसर जो रहता है एम्ब्रियो को पुश करता है डीप इनसाइड द एंडोस्पर्म, ताकि उसको न्यूट्रिशन मिले एंडोस्पर्म से. एंडोस्पर्म क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ न्यूट्रिटिव टिश्यू. Okay, and hosterial cells, it is a first cell of suspension. Note, first cell of suspensor. Hosterial cell is first cells of suspensor. Now again there will be a division. Now what it will be formed? Two, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is pro-embryonal octant. एंड दिस इज हाइपोफिसिस। ये जो रहता है ये वाला, ये क्या बनाएगा? हाइपोफिसिस, हाइपोफाइसिस। Write down here hypophysis. Hypophysis is last cell of suspensor. Last cell of suspensor. ठीक है। नाउ अगेन व्हाट हैपन, ऑक्टेन सेल्स जो होगा उसका पेरिक्लाइनल डिवीजन होगा। ठीक है। नाउ ऑक्टेन सेल्स का क्या होगा? पेरिक्लाइनल डिवीजन। व्हाट विल इट फॉर्म? Form two layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now you can see two layers. ये जो आउटर लेयर रहता है वो डर्मेटोजन कहते हैं हम लोग उसको, डर्मेटोजन, and it will give rise to epidermis, which is the outermost layer. And these four will give rise to root cortex. Give rise to root cortex. And these four will give rise to root cap and root tip. And root tip. Okay. Now again I am telling you, this will form dermatogen, which will form epidermis, which is the outermost layer. And what about this? I am actually drawing here again this diagram. It will form plumule and cotyledons. Okay. It will form plumule and cotyledons. And these will form hypocotyle. It will form plumule and radicals, and it will form hypocotyle. What is plumule? Plumule is basically it gives lies above the cotyledons, and it forms a shoot part. Okay. And what do you mean by hypocotyle? It lies below the cotyledons and terminates to radicle. Now next is write down here first, second, third, okay, fourth, fifth. Now we will do sixth. Now it will divide. It will form cotyledon